teeth is the word of the day. There are two diagrams in the word teeth. The first one is E. Long E sound. And the other one is T. And diagrams are colored in blue so that children can easily identify them. We will learn diagram E in set 1 sounds.
UptoSix Phonics Plus.
E. E.
As in eel.
Eel.
E.
Eel.
E.
As in jeep.
J.
Jeep.
Jeep.
E.
As in green.
Green. Green.
Green.
Gr is a consonant blend. And we will learn diagram T in set 2 diagrams.
UptoSix Phonics Plus.
TH can make 2 sounds. This is unvoiced and T. This is voiced.
As in three.
E. 3. In 3, T is voiced.
As in tooth.
Tooth.
As in width.
W. E. D.
Width.
W.
E.
D. Width.
Width. As in froth. Froth.
Ah.
Froth.
Can you give me some more words with the diagram E and T? List them down in the comment section. You can download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app for interactive learning.